this video today. So my name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reselling eBay and Poshmark, and today I have a jewelry haul for you guys. I recently purchased a bunch of pieces from eBay. It was from a seller that didn't have a lot of things online, but it really looked like a lot of her stuff was designer, which is why I took a chance on this lot. I paid about $88, that was with tax and everything, for this. I think there was, I want to say, I can't exactly remember, but I think there's like 30 different pairs of earrings, and some of them were like Chanel, Yves Saint Laurent, and Kendra Scott. So there were some pieces that I thought could bring a nice penny if I was able to go through them and list them. I do think these are probably all legit and authentic pieces. She also sent a really nice box as well, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. I haven't looked at everything yet. Some of the brands that she said were in there were Chanel, Yves Saint Laurent. I could tell, she didn't list that, but I could tell that one of them was Kendra Scott, and then Bobble, or I don't know how to say it, and Express. So I don't think they're all going to be really expensive, but I'm thinking that quite a few of the pieces are going to be designer, so I definitely can probably sell them and get my money back. I also am kind of looking for more jewelry, more earrings for myself, so I thought this was a good chance to take. So the box came today, and I opened it up and it was in this Chanel box, which was pretty cool. I assume this is an authentic Chanel box, but this is how she has everything packed. And honestly, if it is an authentic Chanel box, I probably can sell it, sell the box. I'm not positive, but I probably can. So everything she has up in this bubble mailer. Anyway, so I'm just going to open it in front of you guys and show you each piece individually that she sent. I'm really excited. I don't know what all these brands are going to be because she didn't list all of them, so I will be looking for maker's marks. It looks like she kind of just rolled them. Okay, so these are the YSL. So those are cute. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but I am a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, so a lot of these are things that I'm planning on reselling. Okay, these I don't think are anything special. They do not have any maker's marks, but they're cute. So I kind of purchased this for the designer pieces. Like I said, I'm kind of looking for earrings for myself too. I don't think these are anything special either. I know if there's like Kate Spade or anything like that, they'll have it marked. I actually think these are really cute, so I'll probably just keep those. Okay, so here's another pair. These also are not marked, so probably not really worth anything, but they are cute. Well, these are interesting. These are very interesting. I really wish I knew who made these because they're cool. Okay, so there are ones where you can wear them like this or like that. And so this is the back or the front. I don't know. I think you could wear it either way. That's pretty cool. I think these are supposed to be the back. So you wear the small one in the front. Those are cool. These ones I thought were really cute. I was hoping they were like Kendra Scott or something. I'm not seeing a maker's mark on them, but they are really cute. I think if they're, you know, designer, there will be some type of maker's mark probably. Very cute. Now I really purchased these more for the more expensive. I really purchased these more for the more expensive earrings, but these are cute. Okay, these are something. They're cute. Oh, I like them. I think they're sterling silver. I think they say 925, so they're sterling silver. I don't know what brand they are, but They're these really pretty gold studs. I'll probably keep those because they're just really cute, and they're just plain silver. This looks like a silver pair of the matching black ones that I showed you. Those are cute. Okay, so these were the ones that I thought were awesome, and there were people bidding on these. I'm hoping they're real. Chanel. Cute. I have no idea what those are worth though. Okay, here's a little stud. Let's see if I can put another. Okay, so here's the other one. Cute. These also don't have any maker's marks, so that's kind of a bummer. But they're cute. I mean, she definitely had some good taste in earrings. These are actually kind of heavy duty. They don't have a maker's mark either, but they're really cute. I'll try probably like wearing them and listing them. Some of these I'll just list like $10 probably on Poshmark. Now, I don't know what this is. I was hoping this was Kendra Scott because I think she put that there was a pair of Kendra Scotts. So I was kind of hoping this necklace was Kendra Scott, but there's no markings that say Kendra Scott. It's cute though. It's kind of like Kendra Scott style, but I'll have to definitely look through and make sure she sent me all of the pairs that she put on, because she did list a few specific brands. I'm thinking Kendra Scott would probably have a maker's mark. These are cute. But you know, even at the price that I paid, it's a pretty good deal for this many earrings. Okay, these are cute. Like I said, I got them more for the more expensive. I'm not seeing any Kendra Scott, so I'm getting a little nervous about that. I might be able to see if I can find out which ones are Kendra Scott. If anything, they might be these ones. I would think that it would say somewhere on the earring if they were. There's these ones. Cute. I mean, a lot of these are really adorable earrings, for sure. But I was really hoping for more designer. Oh, these are pretty. Too bad they just don't say. They don't have any markings. These are really pretty though. I'm gonna keep these probably. Very pretty. Okay, another pair of these. I think these are probably just cheap ones. I don't think they're anything special. A lot of these are earrings that were, you know, these styles were really popular like a while back. Okay, these are cute. Those also have no markings, so yeah. She said there was a pair of Kendra Scotts. Unfortunately, I just don't see any. These are cute too. Definitely liked her. Okay, I got one pair left. They are some big earrings. Definitely wouldn't be able to wear these, I don't think. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to model all of them. I like do my hair and stuff and like model them all and then list them probably for like $10 each or something. So sadly I can't tell which ones are the Kendra Scott. I do believe that more than likely it's going to be these ones because they are sterling silver. I'm hoping these are legit. I think they probably are because she did mark them as Chanel, so if she marked them wrong, She could get in trouble for that probably. They're probably cheap Chanel earring though. And then these might be real. I don't know. So they're cute though. My opinion is I'm a little disappointed because I can't tell. Some of them don't have maker's marks on them, so I'm wondering if they're all just cheap earrings. I did get 22 pairs, 22 or 23 pairs, or 21 maybe, and then this necklace, but I don't believe this is Kendra Scott. I could be wrong, but it does not look to be high enough quality. So that makes me a little sad, because I've had her stuff before and this just doesn't seem high quality. So I'm gonna have to check and make sure I did get all of the pieces that she put, that, you know, how many pieces were there, everything in the pictures, before I rate her, give her feedback as a seller. I did purchase these all on eBay though, not Poshmark. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My plan is probably try to sell each pair for about $10, except maybe the Chanel and the YSL, and then these ones I really don't know about. I don't know if I'll be able to find out if any of these are Kendra Scott. If I am, then I definitely would sell those for more, but I'm just not sure that I'll be able to find that out. She did say that there was Kendra Scott, I'm pretty sure, but I don't see I don't see them because I don't see any markings. So that's unfortunate, but you know, that comes with the territory, taking a chance. These are pretty cool. I like those. I don't know if I'd wear them, but they're super cute. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little different. Normally I have clothing hauls, but today's an earring jewelry haul, so I hope that you liked it. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. I do put out a couple of videos a week, so if you want to see those, subscribe so that you're notified whenever those go live. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye!